All right, guys, a new feature here today. What we're going to be talking about is a custom loader for your website. This gives your brand a little bit more personality. It also reminds them constant what website they're on. So if you're looking to build a brand, branding is important. I'm going to start this off with Bel Air Beauty Club. When we refresh the website, you'll notice on the refresh, the actual loader icon should pop up right on the top of the screen. So you can have different effects on how the loader icon comes in. So Bel Air Beauty Club comes in, boom, just a static loader. For a different brand like Diamond Virgin here, here's how their loader screen comes in. Has the Diamond Hair Co. load in. For a different brand here called Authentic Empire, this is how their loader screen comes in. Boom, right? Really interactive. This is another brand that we designed. When you refresh it, this is how their loader screen comes in, right? So even on some of our smaller brands, which are smaller Insta shops, our ultimate mobile themes, you can still have really cool interactive loading screens. So the cool part about all of our Insta shops is that the loading screen, it's already pre-coded in those in these actual themes. So you don't even have to pay additional if you get the smaller theme, the smaller website. It's crazy, right? And then also you can add an additional pop-up. So I'm going to make a new video explaining the pop-up. So another way of, if you have one of the smaller websites, the loading screen allows you to have your branding, and you can just decide how you want your loading screen to come in. So even on another smaller brand here, right, loading screen, boom. So a more advanced loading screen that you see is similar to Authentic Empire, where it comes in, or even another advanced loading screen would be something like this brand here. It's Wigglicious. They have an advanced loading screen here, boom, and then it has a little bubble effect that actually disappears, swipes up, loading screen there. So again, this is the feature explaining the loading screen. This is also an additional feature that would bring more branding and more credibility to your company. So let us know if you're interested.